Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you get to kind of follow me. Oh my god, this is gonna happen just like the last video. Today you guys basically get to follow me around. Basically, I'm currently on my way to school. I have a 9 a.m. class. Thank God it's not 8 a.m. And yeah, if you are watching this because of the title of the video, you guys are gonna have to wait. But this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's not that big of a deal. I mean, it's really not. People always say like tattoos on your face are like so bad for business and etc. But no, it'll be fine. It's not that big of a deal. Like I said, have been wanting to do this for a very long time. And you know what? I'm gonna do it today. But I have class first. So I have to wait for class to end. Okay, I just got done with my class. I am going to go get some Subway because I am hangry at the moment. And yeah, I am gonna go get my tattoo. I am very excited, but nervous. I never would have thought I'd be getting a tattoo on my face, but it's gonna be so cute and it's gonna be worth it. So yeah, I bet you guys are just dying to know what I'm gonna be doing. It's gonna be awesome. That's all I have to say. Class was so boring today. I could barely keep my eyes open, and I cannot wait to eat now because my brain needs energy. So I'm getting Subway. Woo, a little bumpy. So how's life? How is everyone doing? Summer, right? Everyone's graduating. Everyone has the summer off. Must be nice. My God, what the hell is this man ordering? Taking like 5,000 years. Oh my God, I have to pee so freaking bad. It's like not even funny. Oh my God, I'm gonna pee my pants. I better pee before my tattoo. I'll do a 6-inch Italian. I'll do the turkey Italiano melt. Thank you. Okay, so as you know, when I vlog, this thing falls and I'm driving and eating myself. So I'm unable to, hold you guys up. So I'm eating my Subway. Before my tattoo. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay guys, so I will see you there. Okay, you guys, I got my tattoo. Can you see it? Can you guess what it is? You're right. My brows. Not sure if you can see it. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can. You probably can tell they're darker. They look like they're filled in. Let me tell you, the pain. My mom handled the pain like a boss. I did not. It was very painful, but I made it through. But no, the pain was definitely worth it. I love them. I feel so much more confident having brows on my face, and my natural brow they're thinner, they're The color is just not as dark. So I'm so happy I got these. They just look 10 times better. And it's currently 7:20 and I am starving. So I'm treating myself with Panda Express. Yeah, I am excited because Panda Express is bomb.com. So these are my brows. I'm gonna drive, so I think once I get back to the condo, I am going to film a bit more and just kind of show you guys a bit more of a close-up of what my brows look like. So I will see you soon. Hi you guys, so I am back in my condo. I ate supper, feeling better. So yeah, here are the brows. I love how they turned out. Here's kind of a close-up. And they definitely look really dark now, but just like any tattoo, they definitely lighten up and just look a bit more natural after around 5 to 7 days. So I am excited. But yeah, I love them. I'm so happy I got this tattoo on my face. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do some follow-up videos and just kind of show you guys how it heals. Yeah. That way, if you guys decide to do this, you can. The main reason I did this was because microblading, if you do it too often, it can build up scar tissue. And I just have such oily skin that my eyebrows just kept washing away that microblade. So I decided to get it tattooed and I am very happy I did it. And I feel like in the long run, this is the best option for me. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And hit that notification button. I do post every Wednesday. Excuse me. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. See you in the next video.